Hello, guys. Today, here we have a maple I gathered probably, I don't know, I'm not even gonna try to tell you how many years ago. Got it, but I got several years ago. Left it in this pot, and I've just been watering it, and it's just been growing, and I've been trimming on it, and just letting it be, and finally it's screaming at me to be repotted. So that's what we're gonna do. And I have one of these pots from Amazon, and it's one of the smaller 6-inch ones instead of the 8-inch ones. Same though. Got the nice drainage, and they got the little pots or the trays. Got wire holes if you use wire. I don't, but if you do, there you go. Alright, what we're gonna do, let's just lift up. This is like I forget what kind of maple it is, I'm sorry. But it's a nice maple, I like it. It's got great movement down below. I'm thinking of growing it as like a literati style maples. I'm still not exactly sure what I want to do with it yet, so I'm still just growing it, trimming it, making sure keep the rule of 2 going so I don't get any bulges, any craziness. Trying to keep up good root pruning going. I haven't seen the roots of this tree, and well, since I've collected it. It's been that long. Wow, look at these roots. They're like so fibrous. Looks like I planted it in solely diatomaceous earth, which people say you can't do, and I've proven them wrong. You can, and look at how fibrous these roots are. That's just roots. And wow, nothing but beautimous roots, man. Gotta be careful, because it's just like, wow. Okay, well, all the soil came out. So for tiny bits. Okay, well, oh, I remember this tree from a long time ago. I've had this tree for years. Didn't know what I was gonna do with it. It's just a little baby tree. Long time ago. I'm gonna clip this root off. Don't need it. Clip that root off. Don't really need that one. Let's see. Well, it's got a lot of movement, and like I wonder if I really need to keep that root, if I should just trim that one off, or. But it's got lots of pom roots. I'll keep that. Yeah. We'll continue that. All I'm gonna do is just kind of clip some of these roots off. Nice roots. And I guess we'll keep the rest of them. Nothing really worth getting over fuss over. This all diatomaceous earth. I'm just gonna put this all back into my soil bin right here. Nothing wrong with it. Pick it up. Okay. Well, now take this pot and kind of display the tree, kind of like how I want to do it, really. How do I want to show it off? I'm going to raise it up a bit so I can show off that little curve. So I can show you guys. See the little curve down below? Yeah. I want to show that off. down below, so raise it up a bit like that. But see this up top, you know how there's two there? I'm wondering if I should get rid of one of them or what. Oh no, I've had it for so long. I don't want to do anything to it yet. So let's just put some soil into the pot. This is just one of those trees I've had and that kind of just fun to have and grow. Kind of not exactly sure what to do with it yet. I'm still at that stage with it where I guess I just need to let it grow some more before I make any major changes to it, you know? So let's just do that. Let's just let it grow some more. I don't have a problem with that. Give it a bigger pot. Give it a bonsai pot so it can have more. Instead of going downward, let's give it some room to grow sideways. Kind of like on Welcome Back, Kotter. We'll take some uppers and some downers, and we'll go sideways. I always thought that was funny ever since I saw that. Welcome Back, Kotter was before my time pretty much, but it's still funny. Okay. So, we'll get that tapped in there. Let's keep the soil below the lip of the pot. It looks better that way. And it keeps the water and rock from escaping the pot when you're watering. And there we go. Now let's give this tree a water and we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that looks and then we'll go from there. Remember, we use new soil with that, so you want to water until it comes out of the bottom drainage and the white milky cloud disappears and it is clear. But I like to use the Haas watering cans because they have a nice shower from their spouts. I have the indoor watering can. I use it outside. I want to get a bigger one. I just haven't got around to it yet. So this one seems to do the trick too, because also this shower doesn't tend to disturb the rocks in my bonsai pots. That's another important thing. If it showers too hard, it disturbs the tiny rocks that I use for my bonsai mix. This does not, so that is a plus. Usually run an entire can through. Sometimes with this mix that I use, you can run as much water through as you want. And with these pots, with as good of drainage as they have, and with this soil, you can run as much water through it as you want without the fear of overwatering your trees. Because it will only hold as much water as it needs, and it will let the rest of the water drain through. But it also means you have to water every day or every other day. On hot days, you have to water every day. So, alright, this was the maple. I think it's called blaze maple, if I remember correctly, after doing the research on the tree when I found it. So, I could be wrong. We'll go back, or we'll show you after it blooms out and show you how it's doing in this pot. Pumice is great. Trees like pumice. They like to crush the pumice with their roots, and it makes strong roots. So there you go. This tree is a sturdy tree. I have foraged this tree in Boise, Idaho. Blaze maple, yeah, I believe that's what it was. Alright, thank you guys. Thanks for coming.